WordPress and Shopify are both popular platforms for creating e-commerce stores, but they have different features and approaches. Here's a breakdown of the key differences between WordPress and Shopify for an e-commerce store. Ease of use. Shopify. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface and intuitive setup process. It provides a hosted solution, meaning you don't need to worry about managing servers or technical aspects. WordPress. WordPress requires more technical knowledge and setup time compared to Shopify. While it offers more flexibility, it may be more challenging for beginners without experience in website development. Hosting and maintenance. Shopify. As a hosted platform, Shopify takes care of hosting, security, and updates for your store. This allows you to focus on running your business without worrying about technical aspects. WordPress. With WordPress, you'll need to find a hosting provider and manage your own website's security, updates, and backups. This gives you more control, but requires additional responsibility. Customization and flexibility. Shopify. Shopify provides a wide range of professionally designed themes and a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor for customization. It also offers an app store with various plugins and extensions to enhance functionality. WordPress. WordPress is highly customizable, offering thousands of themes and plugins. It provides more control over design and functionality, making it suitable for businesses with specific requirements or a need for extensive customization. E-commerce features. Shopify. Shopify is primarily built for e-commerce, so it offers a comprehensive set of features out of the box. It includes inventory management, payment gateways, shipping options, abandoned cart recovery, and more. WordPress. While WordPress itself doesn't come with built-in e-commerce features, you can add them using plugins like WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a popular and powerful e-commerce plugin that integrates seamlessly with WordPress, providing similar functionality to Shopify. Scalability and performance. Shopify. As a hosted solution, Shopify is designed to handle high traffic and provide fast loading times. It can easily handle scaling as your business grows, and you don't need to worry about server management. WordPress. WordPress can be optimized for performance, but it requires more technical knowledge and proper hosting configuration. With the right setup, WordPress can handle high traffic, but you'll need to manage server resources yourself. Costs. Shopify. Shopify offers various pricing plans starting from a monthly subscription fee. The cost increases with additional features and transaction fees, especially for using third-party payment gateways. WordPress. WordPress itself is free, but you'll need to consider expenses for hosting, themes, plugins, and additional tools like payment gateways. Costs can vary depending on your specific needs and the premium options you choose. Ultimately, the choice between WordPress and Shopify for an e-commerce store depends on your technical expertise, customization requirements, budget, and preferences. If you prefer simplicity, ease of use, and a hosted solution, Shopify may be a better fit. However, if you value flexibility, control, and extensive customization options, WordPress with WooCommerce can be a great choice. Follow us at Intifig for more about email marketing tips and information about AI and IT. Empower your journey with Intifig.